Oh my God, this is a selfie. Usually it just shows me a small window. This time it showed me the whole window. So I guess I'll speak into the mic and look at my face. Sometimes people would make jokes and go, it's an ugly face. I ain't going to make no jokes, okay? I ain't going to say anything about my face, okay? What I am going to tell you is a story, and I don't have anything to write, so if I don't say it properly, okay? Number one, numero uno. That's me, because you see me. Dos, okay, u tres, okay. Tres would be the difference between you and me and what I have to say because you're receiving. I'm going to say unos dos as me and you, or should I just say uno uno? But uno, as me, is actually telling the story in which uno is you, the choice of receiving the story. So this is the choice. If I put capital letters in a word, that would mean every single individual letter of capitalization would actually have its own initial value, meaning every initial says a different story, and in order of the initials, is the story in that order, or is it coded words? If I say M-A-S as in mass and all capitals, I would be saying what? What would I be saying? M is a capital, has a word of, let's say, May, March, me. A is an angel or awkward. But anyways, other than that, the secondary thing I want to say is when we add up numbers, as when we come to the end of a number, right? You know, we say 3, 4, 8, 9 plus 8, 2, 1, 9. The 3 and the 9 at the beginning in the 100 area, when you add up the 8 and the 3, that makes an 11. You're going to spread out those two numbers to be individual numbers, okay? But when you're before the end of the number, or if the two numbers do not add up to a total passing 10, there will not be two area numbers, but it had the opportunity to be two area numbers because two numbers added up will, or three numbers added up, or four numbers added up. The minute you ask how many numbers are you capable of adding up over 100? Well, obviously, it has to be a minimum of 12. 12 times 9 is 108, but 11 times 9 is 99. You follow what I'm saying? So we need a minimum of 11 areas to add up. But that's not really true because if the area were all 999, 999, 999, 999, the first area of 10 numbers of 9 would say 90, you would put a 0. Okay, add the 9 to the left. The next area would be a 0 until you got to the end where it's a 9. So you'd go 10 times 9 is 90, which would, plus the 9 carryover is 99. But so you have to have an automatic 11 times 9. So the minimum would be 11 if it was 999, or example of adding up to number 9. In order to surpass, there is a minimum. So you have 11 times 9 is 99, plus the carryover would bring you over to where your two digits would add up. So what I would do is once you get into that area, the beginning, let's say it's 8 and 8 is 16, put the 6 and then the 1 carry over. But let's not carry over that way. Let's bring the last level where you get into the 1,000 level. If it was 9 and 9 is 18, don't do it that way. Just like in pi. Okay, but we're going to talk about that in a second. So when we get to the area at the end to the left, okay, why don't we do it the opposite? If the first two numbers are 8 and 8 is 16, 1 and 6 is 7. That's on the right side. 1 and 6 is 7. Leave it at 7. Add up each individual, just like when you're going to the left side. But this is what we're going to do. The one section, we're going to add up the two numbers together. The middle section, we're going to not carry it over. We're going to add it up again in the third section. Like 666 and 666, 6 and 6 is 12, 1 and 2 is 3. It would be 333. So we're just talking that if we end up to, let's say, be 1,289, take the 12 and the 1,200 and add it together and say 1,200, 1 and 2 is 3. And now the 89 on the right side, 8 and 9 is 17, 1 and 7 is 8, equals to 3 and 8. Take the number in the center, like 1289, 2 and 8, put that together is 10, becomes 1. You end up with 318. Do you follow what I'm saying? Add up the numbers. Never let it go. If there's 4 numbers, bring it down to 3. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. If it didn't catch on, just ask me and I'll help you out in the next video, or I'll personalize the responses to everybody because I have the capabilities. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching.